Okay, everyone. So, as you can see, this is one of the data center under construction. So, actually, each of company or each of the corporation, you have the requirement design for the data center. So, this is we can say that we cannot specify, or we can say based on our own requirement. If let's say it is a critical data center, you need to have a high-end standard requirement design for data center. So you need to consider from power failure, the UPS backup, and especially your fiber optic, your structure cabling, how you design, what is your requirement. So all of this we have the standard. So if you are a network engineer, in order to install your core switch, your firewall, or even those you are going to install your server, your storage, something like this, you need to have the data center ready for you, the cabinet, how you arrange the cabinet, and structure cabling, how you run the cable across the cabinet inside your data center. So all of this we have the design, and the design you can follow the standard one, or you can customize your design based on your own requirement. Okay, so I hope you have some idea for the data center design requirement, whatever cooling system requirement, UPS requirement, the cabinet requirement, or fire alarm, security camera, or even the strict for the someone that can enter to your data center using access control system. This all we have the design. Okay. So I think this is end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and comment below in my video if you have any experience to share regarding the data center design for your own corporation. Thank you.